Hey guys, this is Natalie and welcome back to one of my videos. So I already started pouring my glitter glue inside my bowl because it takes me a long time to pour it in. So I got the glitter glues for almost $2. I got this for $3, and I got the spatula at the Dollar Tree for $1, obviously. You can get a bowl from your house anywhere. These glitters were $3 and this one was $2. And you're gonna need 1 cup of water. So let's get started. So I just need to pour the water into here, but there's still some glitter in there, but that's fine. So let me pour it in real quick. I don't have enough space in here. I'm gonna pour it carefully. Alright, so then I'm gonna mix it so I can get it and then squeeze this in. Until you get all this like leftover glitter on the bottom that didn't come out in the bowl. Until like it looks like puffy stuff, just shake it. You can like pound it on your hand, which is really hard to do. So I'm gonna pour back into the bowl. Oh. It looks like light purple. It's so pretty. Well, at least I don't need this table. So that's good. Now I'm gonna do the same with my other bottle. Okay. I'm gonna put on the cap. So you only need the water to be in the second one of your glitter glue bottle. You can use any kind of glitter you want for this product. If there's nothing else other than red, purple, or blue, those are actually really pretty colors. To me, they're pretty, but you could choose any color you want. I chose purple because it looks pretty. Okay, now I'm just gonna pour it into the. Let's say soap. It looks like soap. Okay, that's good. Now this is the results of my half-done glitter slime, and it's starting to look pretty. So now I'm gonna pour my liquid starch. So you're only gonna need a little bit, just a little bit. I'm so scared. Okay, that's all you need. Just keep it here just in case. You need more in case it like gets some sticky. Look at this. It looks gross at first, but then it starts to look pretty. It looks like it has like white stuff in purple. So I think I need a little bit of liquid starch in here. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Ooh, that looks so pretty. You guys can make it. It's not like that much. You could buy them separately, which is not going to be a lot of money to spend for you guys. I think it's time to add the glitter. I don't think it's time yet, but I think I need a little more liquid starch. Thank you. And then so describing how this looks for me is this like turning and up, down.
Slime. It looks like slime.
And then I'm gonna have to go. Look at this. It looks powerful.
I know, Elena.
I have a special guest. She's gonna help me with my slime video. She wanted to be in it because she's my friend and I like people to be in my videos, but my other ones were just loneliness. So I think it's time. How cool do you think this looks, Elena?
It looks awesome.
Don't you think it needs some glitter to go with this thing? What kind of glitter do you want it? What's your favorite kind of glitter, Elena?
I think I'm gonna do the dark blue.
The dark blue. I'm gonna mix this around. I think I need a little bit of liquid starch, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Now I just need to mix it. Doesn't this look cool, Elena? Does it look like goo?
Mm-hmm.
But when you add the glitter, it's gonna turn out good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
At first it's gonna look like it's not like worky, but it's actually gonna work, so make sure you get all the sides. Hey Elena, how old are you?
6.
You're 6 years old. What's your favorite color?
Oh, it's green.
Green.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like blue?
Yeah, I like blue too.
What's your favorite kind of clothes?
I like these clothes that I'm wearing right now. They feel very warm.
She's wearing like snow pants.
Hi guys. Do you want to hear a joke?
Yeah.
Okay, what is a potato that can turn into a green cow?
What?
Huh. It can turn into a green cow.
That's funny. Alright.
That's the end.
This is how you make bubble gum, guys.
This is very... Hi.
So
My name is Elena.
I am going to try to put some glitter in because I think that has enough mixing. Take my spoon out. Do you want to hold my spoon?
Yeah.
First, I am going to put my dark glitter into the bowl. And then I'm going to put my light glitter into the bowl. And then I'm going to add my silver glitter. Okay, now I think it's time to mix it all in.
Okay. Didn't hurt that bad.
It looks like I seasoned some cow meat. Glitter cow meat. Wait, recording.
Cow.
I seasoned. Oh, sorry. I keep on hitting her in the head.
Okay. Sticky. It's already
I
slime.
want to make fart slime. I want to make the farting
It's
slime.
already slime.
Well, I want to see if it falls again. I think it's time to mix it with my hands. Do you want to hold that for me?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to do that too. I feel like I'm making brownies. Ugh, I'm standing up.
Oh.
I think I need some liquid. I think I want some more glitter.
You poured some on the hand.
No, not that one. The other one. Oh, this smells like liquidy.
Yeah.
It's like cow meat. And she's a. It looks like guts. It looks like guts. Any liquid starch. It's
It looks like a monster.
No, it looks pretty. Hey Val, can you add some glitter into this? Ooh, that feels like glitter glue. I think we need some water.
Glitter stone. Glitter.
Look at this. You want to touch it? This is the results of my slime. It's so pretty. So as I said, it looks pretty. You could stretch it. You could throw it. I don't want to throw it because this is YouTube, so
I got some on my shirt. It's sticky. It's sticking on my shirt.
Just to let you know, warning, this does not come off of clothes.
Oh no.
Bye.